so theoretically, being in the US, I can't watch the BBC iPlayer. I mean, it's only for those UK residents, right? But in reality, learning how to watch BBC iPlayer outside the UK is super easy. Let me show you. To access BBC iPlayer, you'll need a VPN to change your virtual location, and I'm going to show you how to set up a BBC iPlayer UK VPN while sharing a trick to make the process faster. And if you end up finding this video helpful at all, you better make sure to drop a like and subscribe to our channel. Alright, now the first step in learning how to watch BBC iPlayer from the US or any other country for that matter is setting up your VPN. For BBC iPlayer, NordVPN is my personal choice, so that's what I'm going to be using today. If you don't have a VPN yet, well, you can use the link that I left in the description, which comes with exclusive discounts all ready to go just for you. So all you gotta do is pick your plan and register, and well, it's really straightforward. Then just go download the version you need and follow the installation steps. Oh, but Mac people, you're gonna wanna do yourself a favor and download the VPN from the App Store, the Apple App Store, and not directly from their webpage. Okay, here's Nord's interface. Just pick the server that you need from the map or search United Kingdom. Oh, there it is right there. Then click to connect. See? Easy, right? Now, if you already created an account for BBC iPlayer outside UK, you can connect and watch stuff right away, be it the British version of The Office or whatever you're into on BBC iPlayer Live. If you don't have an account, well, then you're going to need to click the sign in button and press register. Select your age group, add your date of birth, and then fill in the standard stuff, email and password, yada yada yada. Now you're just gonna need to add a postal code, but any random UK postal code will do. Just Google one online. Now, the only thing left to do is to verify your email and press yes for I have a TV license. But before you go on a binging spree, I want to share a few little shortcuts to this whole how to watch BBC iPlayer abroad thing. There's a NordVPN feature that I really like. It's called a preset. And you'll need to set it up, but hey, it only takes a minute at most. Because with a preset, to watch BBC iPlayer in US, I only have to click twice. So it makes things quick and convenient. So let's go on to settings, then click on presets. Here, click add new, and now we're gonna add some details. Let's name the preset and choose the VPN protocol. To avoid buffering, you're gonna wanna always choose the NordLynx protocol since it's the fastest one. Now, pick the UK from the country list here. And for this box, I usually leave it at recommended server. A bit below there, you can add a link or a few of them as shortcuts. Now, let's save it and get back to the main window. Click on the preset, wait for the VPN to connect, and then press the BBC icon under it. 2 clicks and you can watch BBC iPlayer outside the UK. Yeah, just one of the biggest reasons why Nord is the best BBC iPlayer VPN. At least for me it is anyway. But to access the BBC iPlayer, Surfshark VPN also works for me, as does Atlas VPN. Actually, you know, a lot of VPNs work, but not all of them, and they don't all equally work as well. Like how I couldn't get past the geo-block when I tested out Mulvad and Torguard, and when learning how to watch BBC iPlayer outside the UK, free VPNs are not going to work for this. When trying to access BBC iPlayer, free VPN services get easily blocked. I just keep getting errors upon errors upon errors. But here's some good news about accessing BBC iPlayer outside UK. Free streaming. The service itself doesn't cost anything. And while accessing it is against their terms of service, it's not illegal. The worst thing that can happen is just getting your account suspended. Okay, so now it looks like you can watch BBC iPlayer abroad. Let me know in the comments what you're watching these days. I'm currently on the 5th season of Doctor Who. Also, don't forget to sub to our channel for more VPN tutorials, because with a VPN, you're gonna have a great privacy tool at your disposal. So why not use it to its full potential? Alright, that's it for this BBC iPlayer tutorial. Oh, and about those VPN deals with the exclusive discounts, well, they're right here in this box. Hey, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.